Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how you can add a subscribe button to your YouTube video. So right here in the bottom right corner of your video we will add this subscribe button, alright? So to do this, just go up to the top right corner, click on your profile image, go down and click on YouTube Studio. Now go to the left sidebar, click on customization, and go to this one, branding. Go down to this one, video watermark. The watermark will appear on your videos in the right hand corner of the video player. Alright. So here we have some information about the image, what they recommend. If you don't have a subscribe button, you can go to pixabay.com. So here you can get images for free. Just search for subscribe button and choose the one you want to have. Let's say I want to have this one. Just click on the image, click on free download, choose the smallest one, click on download, go back to YouTube, click on upload, choose your subscribe button, click on open. So now we can change the size of this subscribe button like this. And when they're satisfied, just click on done. And now we can see that we have this subscribe button in the right hand corner of your video player. And now we can choose display time, so end of video, custom start time, when you want this to appear in your videos, or entire video. So I'm gonna click on entire video. After that, we're gonna go up to the top right corner, click on this one, publish. So changes published. Okay everyone, so if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel for more of these videos, and you can comment below if you have any questions. Okay everyone, so I hope this video solved your problem. Don't miss out on my latest video right here. Just click on this image. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.